Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your HomeStreet Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your HomeStreet Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in mortgageapp.homestreet.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of HomeStreet Mortgage account. Enter your email address and password associated with your HomeStreet Mortgage account and tap on sign in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Trouble Signing In option. This is how you can log into your HomeStreet Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.